In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an exhaust tip on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located on the end of the exhaust. Let's get started. Using a 15mm socket, loosen the clamp for the exhaust tip. Remove the exhaust tip, install the clamp over the end of the exhaust tip, and install the tip on the end of the exhaust. Set your poke out about how far you want it to slide in or out. You don't want it protruding way past the vehicle. Using a 15mm socket, snug the clamp down. Sure it's fully secured to the exhaust, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.